Hi guys, so it's cold and rainy today here in Sydney, and I got home just a short while ago and I found a happy mail. And thank you, Mr. Postman, for putting it on my doorstep because it would have got wet in the mailbox. So look how pretty she's put, all pretty tape. And this is from Andrea, and she's in the Junk Journal Down Under Facebook group, and I haven't opened it yet. I just put a little nick there so you didn't have to be tortured watching me try and open it on camera. And Andrea's really funny when she sends happy mail, because what she does on the Facebook group, she'll take a picture of the front of the envelope with your address blocked out, and she'll say, such and such, I'm sending a happy mail, and then you see your name and you're like, oh my gosh. And then so for a few days you like know this little happy mail's coming, but you don't know what's in it. It's kind of like a bit of torture. You know, when you're young and you've got a present under the Christmas tree, but you know you can't open it. Okay, let me see. And Andrea, she is so lovely. She sends happy mails to everyone. You must have shares with Australia Post, Andrea, because you are the happy mail queen of that group. And thank you so much. Okay, oops. I think I might be stuck to the bag. Oh, is this? Andrea not long ago bought this really pretty dress, and she posted a picture in the Facebook group and said, should I chop it or not? And everyone was like, no, don't chop it. It's too beautiful. And I'm like, yeah, chop it. Chop, chop, chop. I didn't know if this is a part of it. Maybe, I'm not sure. But, oh my goodness, look. Look at this. It's beaded and little, well, they're sequins, but they're not your regular kind of sequins, are they? Sorry, my hands are all gluey. They look really gross, but they always do. Oh, that's so pretty. So nice. I love, this will go so nice on a boho journal. I haven't made a full-on boho journal yet. I've kind of made a boho-ish style journal, but not one where you see heaps of bling and all that sort of stuff. I don't know why, because I do have some of that sort of stuff. And look at this lace. This looks old. It's really pretty. And some trim. I love these cotton type trims. So pretty. This looks old as well. I'm not sure if you've dyed it yourself or if that's its natural colour. Oh, thank you. Oh my goodness, look. These are little red beads. And it's funny because the fabric it's on, is this like a ribbon or a trim? It's not normal fabric. It's like really thick and stiff. That is so nice. Oh, thank you. That's so beautiful. Oh, I could put some of this in my Christmas journals too, because it's, you know, red and Christmassy. Oh, and it's really hard to find stuff like that at op shops now. Oh, and some washi tape. She knows she didn't put all the pinks and the bright colours. Andrea, you know me so well. I love the birdie ones. Thank you. See, I feel like this is off that dress. I can't remember what the dress looked like now, but I feel like this is a sleeve, is it? I feel like it's off the dress that everyone was saying, no, don't chop it. And I was like, yeah, chop it, chop it. Andrea, you have to put a note in the comment down there. Is this the dress? Oh, look how sparkly it is on camera. Sorry, I don't know if I'm blinding you or not, but this is so beautiful. All sequins. So nice. When you cut, if you cut up wedding dresses or old saris or anything like that, just a tip, before you cut it, because it's all sequined and a lot of it is hand sewn on the back. This one looks like it's not, but normally what I do, I just put a little drizzle of hot glue on the back to hold. Yeah, it is. So you can see the stitching. If you put a little drizzle of hot glue on the back, like a really thin layer, before you cut it, it'll hold the little beads and all the sequins down. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love that. Thank you, Andrea. What else? Oh, look at this. I don't know if this is off an old tablecloth or something, but it's really thick and bumpy. That's so pretty. I love purple. Everyone thinks I'm just a brown and black person, but I actually like purple and greens. That's so pretty. And this is actually gold. The little leaves have got some gold here and there. That's really pretty. Thank you. And some lace. You can't have too much lace. Like if you see lace at op shops or recycle centre, doesn't matter how much you've got at home, you must get it. Well, that's what that's what I do. Oh wow, this is strange. What is this? Look, this is so cool. It's like it looks like, I don't know, something that belongs on a robot or something. That's so cool. That would go well on like a steampunky or futuristic type. Look at that. It's so cool. I love that. These are little beads on top of the sequins. That's awesome. I love that. Where did you get all these from, Andrea? She finds the best stuff. Oh, and this looks old as well. Oh, this is really pretty. I love fabric like this. See, I would put this on a journal cover just as it is without putting anything on top. It's so beautiful. Oh, and you sent so much. Look how big that piece is. That's really pretty. And it's cotton as well. Cotton's the best fabric for covering journals. And the tapestry type fabric's really thick. I love that. Thank you. Oh, and what are these? I don't know what this is. What is this? It's not paper. It's not, is it? I don't know if it's fabric with some sort of I'm not a proper sewer. I'm like one of those fake sewers. It's got some sort of, maybe, what's it called? Krista, from Second Chance Creations, you'll know what it's called. That stuff you iron on the back and it makes it thicker. It feels really good. It's like really thick and sturdy. I love it. I'll turn the camera off and then I'll think of the name of whatever it was I was trying to think of. It's so sparkly as well. I really want to know what it is. I love it. Thank you. Those will make really, really cute little pockets as well. Or you could just sew it on the journal covers as well. It's so thick. Look how sparkly they are. Ooh, and a white one. That's so pretty. I don't know if you can see the shine on camera. It's all glittery. That's so cute. Okay, and I've got some papers. Fun shapes. I had a calligraphy pen somewhere and I was actually not bad at it. I've got, actually I should show it one day. I've got folders full of old letter set because my dad was a screen printer and a photographer. So he did all his own graphic arts and everything. This is before computers came in. Letter set, if you don't know what it is, it's kind of like these days you might call them rub-ons, but letter set was the original rub-ons, I suppose. Oh, that's pretty. What's that of? That's a really nice picture. Out of a diary. That's really thick paper as well. She always has these cute little papers. He who cannot forgive breaks the bridge over what he himself must pass. That's cute. Which way does this go? I don't know. This way. Because a little bird. That's so cute. Sorry, I always read stuff on camera and then you're sitting there bored. Look at that. The big archways. So pretty. Actually, a number of years ago for work, I had to, well, when I had a real job, before I retired, I had to travel to Hungary, and I stayed in Budapest, and it was just street after street after street of beautiful old buildings like this and big archways. Every building was just beautiful, and because you just don't, you know, sometimes if you see words in Italian or something, you can kind of, or Greek or another language, you can kind of make out kind of what it might say. But yeah, in Hungary, the language is so completely different. You can't understand a word that is written on the signs. And so you see these beautiful old buildings and you're like, oh, is this a library or something, or a museum? And you'd go to walk in and then it's it's just like a school or an apartment block or something. And I'd just go wandering around everywhere. It was beautiful. That kind of reminds me of it, this streetscape. Really beautiful place to visit. Oh, these are cool. I see everyone with these sort of things, but of course I don't ever have anything like that. But are they, what do you do with them? I don't know. See, when I get real arty crafty supplies, I don't actually know what to do with them. I don't know if these are these paper dolls? Someone, I don't know, tell me in the comments what these are. I really don't know. But they're cute. I like them. Look at that naughty little boy. Oh, look at these. Little fans. They're so cute. And they're actually, they're embossed. Like, there's all little ridges there on the fans. I don't know if you can see. They're so cute. A poem. I'll read that later. I won't read it to you now. I love random papers from other people because we've all got such different papers, and so you know, you like, look at this little image. Really cute. It's from a calendar as well, or a diary or something. Winter. That's like a little, out of one of those folders with the little tabs. Look at this. Oh, that's so beautiful. That's just a book page. It's so thick. That's really, really pretty. I love that. Look at that. That's so beautiful. Thank you. Oh, look at these. I don't know if you can see on camera. It's really dark and rainy here today. They're so cute. I'm totally going to cut these little guys out. Make little cards. And birds. I love birds. My husband and my son call me like the crazy bird lady because I'm always out the back feeding the birds. Actually, I have a little magpie that I took a video of, a little baby magpie that I hand feed. It's Clive's little brother. So cute. Oh, thank you so much, Andrea. I love it. I especially love this picture. So beautiful. And thank you. And please, someone tell me what these are. I love them. It's so strange. What is it? I must know. And thank you. Oh my goodness, you sent so many beautiful fabric pieces. I love these glitteries. Thank you so much. I love them. Whoops, that's not in it. Okay, thank you, Andrea. And I hope you're feeling better. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.